Welcome to Suman TV. Dear all, Suman TV viewers, I have a very special program this time for you, and that's none other than you all know it, and that's about artificial intelligence. Yes, the government of Telangana in India is going to organize a first and foremost initiative that's called as Telangana Global Artificial Intelligence Summit, and to proceedings, to continue with all the proceedings and to organize the entire event, I have the key speaker of the conference and I have the key organizer with me, and that's none other than our very own MLA Madan Mohan Garu, and he is a member of Legislative Assembly. And you know what? He is also a technocrat. He is a business person who founded, and he's a chairman of USM Business Systems, and which also caters to a lot of software requirements, and he is into this profession for the past 25 years, and he has also come into politics as the public representative, and he is with us right now. So I'll not waste much of our time. I'll invite our guest today, and he's Mr. Madan Mohan Rao, sir. Sir, welcome to Suman TV.
Thank you, Anilji. Thanks for inviting me for this program.
Sir, it's an honor to be with you, sir, today.
Thank
you. As the government of Telangana has envisioned about the future, and they are coming up with an exclusive conference, that's a summit called Global AI Summit, and for which you are heading as a vice chairman. So under your leadership, this AI Summit, what are the key highlights? Can we know about that?
See, first of all, I want to thank you, Suman TV, for inviting me this program. This is an AI Global Summit.
Yeah.
I want to congratulate entire Telangana,
yes.
Government and Telangana people, and then especially with the Chief Minister and our IT Minister.
Correct.
See, this AI Global Summit is the most innovative and this historical for Telangana, because Hyderabad is known for the technology which last 2 decades. We all know that. And then now the world is moving forward, the fastest growing the technology.
Correct.
And the artificial intelligence is the key for next 3 decades.
Very true.
So artificial intelligence, now the so many young entrepreneurs are coming up, and they are doing a lot of research and a lot of innovations in technology. And then also rural background from Telangana. We have 70 to 80% of the rural background people in Telangana.
Yes.
They also the tech savvy, but they don't know how the artificial intelligence is going to work.
Very true.
And also we are creating with this AI Global Summit, we are inviting the world known speakers into different verticals.
Okay.
See, each vertical, there are agriculture vertical, there is a telecom modernization vertical, there is a medical health and tourism vertical.
That sounds good.
We have a pharmaceutical, which is as we know that Hyderabad is a hub of pharmaceutical industry. Correct. We do a lot of bulk drug manufacturing, and then we do a technology. We are well known for in the world, right? We're exporting kind of Dr. Reddy Labs is export. I heard that in 164 countries.
We are the vaccine capital of the
world. Vaccine capital of that. That's here you go. So COVID time, we have supplied.
And now we are going to become AI capital of the world.
AI capital of the world. So this world, this global summit is a great opportunity.
Yes.
For all the people in Telangana, and so it's a 2 days conference. So first keynote speaker, Chief Minister is going to talk about it, and also the great news for all of the viewers of Suman TV and the Telangana people that So our Chief Minister is going to declare for AI city. So 200 to 400 acres of it's a dedicated city, which how the financial district was declared before. Now you have seen the growth of the West. And now you see the AI. I think first government in the country, Telangana has declared, and then the right of AI is the right of the citizen of Telangana. We have come up in the assembly.
Wow.
So now this is going to help us, the new entrepreneurs, the business people who are interested in AI, who are doing a business in AI. So this AI city is going to be given to those guys.
Tomorrow morning, as the summit is going to get inaugurated, what exactly there would be? Can you name one international speaker who is going to be one among the key speakers apart from the Chief Minister and IT Minister, and you will also be there? So which organizations are going to come to attend this summit?
See, I worked with Nokia. Everybody knows Nokia.
Yes.
So Martin.
Correct.
He is a global head in the device in the private wireless network and telecom modernization. Today, the telecom network is a key of our bandwidth or whatever the internet today works. today communication is a key.
Correct.
So he's going to talk about telecom modernization and talk about the
Okay.
market. And then the Dish Network.
Yes.
Dish is the media,
Correct.
the world.
Correct.
And this Mr. Kevin. So it's going to talk about network modernization, cloud migration, telecom
Okay.
migration. He's going to
Okay.
talk about it. And Mahindra CTO is coming up.
Okay.
And a lot of the food processing industry
Okay.
and then cutting edge technology. A lot of the speakers going to be there tomorrow.
So, can we expect any MOUs getting signed or any COEs like Center of Excellence? Can we expect any from of the international companies?
So see, this conference is for the education, awareness,
Yes.
and then information sharing.
That's
with
the
a
main
lot of-
objective.
The main objective. We
Yes.
are not here to
Correct.
sign the business
Correct.
deals.
Correct.
We are here to make this Hyderabad
Yes.
as an AI city.
So, this is the beginning of the
This is
journey.
beginning. So we are creating. This is the first time in the government. As I said
Okay.
before,
Yes.
the Telangana government is the first in the country
Correct.
that
Correct.
the coming up this kind of
Yes.
concept.
Yes.
Thinking about AI Global Summit.
Correct.
Now, today, after this conference,
Yes.
and then a lot of people getting awareness of the people they
Follow-up
don't know.
meetings will be there.
See, there is a lot of misconception that
Okay.
AI is going to kill the jobs.
No,
right?
no, not at all.
No, that's where we are going to
Okay.
publish that. And also we are motivating and giving an opportunity. The
Correct.
government is giving an opportunity ahead
Correct.
for the people to that also you can start up the companies.
Oh, that's too good, sir. I think we can't wait to look at the enter into the conference and gain lots of learnings, because it's going to be food for the thought. So at the same time, this is a great opportunity sitting among the world-renowned legends who are they made a big breakthrough in the artificial intelligence.
Yes,
And I think Telangana government is going to give a big exposure to the rest of the country.
absolutely.
It is leading in AI right now. So what exactly is going to be the kind of a first declaration can be made by the chief minister, sir? What can we expect?
See, as you said, Anil ji, I'm also excited.
Yes.
Tomorrow, because see, it's a government is coming up and ahead, then giving this opportunity, a platform,
Correct.
creating the platform,
Correct.
bringing the topmost speakers
Okay.
on the one platform, one
Okay.
roof.
Okay.
This is going to give. So, as I said, exciting news the chief minister is going to do about
Yes.
AI city,
Okay.
which is the biggest news in the country, and it's
Okay.
going to be in the world.
Okay.
Not if you even look at the world also,
Yes.
not many governments have
Yes.
come up and they said, hey, I'll give you like 200 acres, 400 acres for your city. You can build an AI city. Can you imagine that? After
Not at all.
2 decades, you can
Yeah,
see like what the financial district was declared 2 decades ago.
Correct.
And today, Hyderabad, you see the west that today.
Exactly.
But AI city, tomorrow you say that after 2 decades or maybe 1 decade, the fastest growing,
Correct.
you can see AI city that any
Absolutely.
company is like
This is a dream come true for all Telanganites.
Yes, even the virtualization, visualization, VR, virtual, VR,
Yes.
AR,
Yes.
augmented reality.
Absolutely.
There's so many things,
Yes.
predictive analysis,
Wow.
edge computing,
Sounds interesting.
resource, quantum computing. This
Correct.
quantum computing is a
This
future.
is the future.
This is the future.
Yes.
It is not anymore traditional computing,
Correct.
because the computing, what we used to do,
Mhm.
what we do is with the CPU, central processing unit.
Correct.
Now we are getting into GPU,
Correct.
graphical processing. See,
Correct.
that's with the NVIDIA.
This is the next level.
Next
of
level.
future.
Next level.
Wow.
Then you talk about quantum computing, because the amount of data is being
Correct.
produced in the world.
Correct.
Amount of data is coming.
Correct.
We're not able to process. So
Yes.
that's the reason quantum computing coming.
Yes.
Where is AI? Where is quantum? That's where the AI city.
I'm definitely looking forward for this information to be imparted with, not only the Telanganites of this state, but the entire India and entire the world is going to wait for this conference. So I am going to come up with all the highlights once we attend the conference, and you will come to know lots of knowledge will be imparted in this summit. So it's a great opportunity, sir. Thank you so very much for coming to Suman TV, sir.
Thank you, Anilji. Thank you.